Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. During the height of our construction projects, we were just too tired and our hands were in such rough shape that no one wanted to cook dinner. We had an unusual ingredient which made for a nearly instantaneous dinner. Tonight, I'm putting together our construction macaroni and cheese. Let's see what we're gonna need. Our unusual ingredient is, of course, this day-glow orange cheddar cheese powder. Now, these ingredients do bear a striking resemblance to boxed macaroni and cheese, with the notable exception that our cheddar cheese powder does not have any of the additional milk solids in it. So we need to make up for that by using half and half rather than milk. We are using a full pound of pasta. I like the white fiber rotini. It's just a little bit smaller than the full-size rotini. And because this is nearly double, we'll be using a full stick of butter. We start by boiling these noodles, so let's get over to the stove and start cooking. This is about 4 quarts of water that's been very heavily salted with 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. I also have about 2 tablespoons of canola oil on there. That just helps with the foam. To keep our pot from boiling over, we just add a couple pieces of pasta first. Let it boil up, and then we can add in the rest of the pasta. Our pasta's been drained but not rinsed, so we add in our butter, which I've just cubed so that it melts easier. My burner is off. The butter's almost all the way melted, so we're going to add in the half and half. And give that a stir before we add in our cheese. Yes, it's as orange as it looks. Okay, we can finally give this a taste. Okay, let's give this a taste. Have a fork here. It's nice and creamy. Hot. Nice and cheesy. Delicious. Our unusual ingredient is, of course, our neon orange cheddar cheese powder. Now these ingredients, Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.